everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super cute and last minute gift idea greeting card which is made using lots of paper quilled flower, and I have written here the sentiment just for you, and the combination is very attractive, isn't it? So without taking much time, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with making the bigger flower. For this, here I'm taking light blue color strip and making total 4 loops in increasing order like this. Then just cut the excess strip from bottom and secure end using glue. So the loop petal is ready. Now I am going to join 2 more petals on left and right sides of this petal, which are made using 3 loops. Then wrapping this whole petal using dark blue color strip, and the beautiful petal is ready. Just pinch slightly on the top and shape it nicely, and the petal is done. Now I am joining total 7 petals together and making the flower. Like this. Then to create center of the flower, here I am taking 1 strip of white and 1 strip of yellow and making one tight coil. Then sticking it exactly in the center of the flower, and our beautiful big size flower is ready. Now to make filler flower, here I am taking half strip of purple color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Then using backside of paintbrush, I am just shaping it as a dome. You can also use quilling mold. Fill the petal using glue, and this is done. Then I am joining total 5 petals together to create the flower. Then to make center of the flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making the tight coil and sticking it on top of the flower. So the flower is ready. Similarly, we need total 6 flowers. So cute. Then to make bigger leaf, here I am taking dark sap green color strip, again creating total 5 to 6 loops in increasing order. Just cut the extra strip, secure end using glue, and then I am joining one more petal with this and wrap this whole petal using same color strip. And the leaf is ready. Similarly, I have prepared total 6 leaves. Then to make small filler leaves, here I am taking 1/3 strip of sap green color in 3 mm and making one tight leaf shape. So we need total 5 petals for one single leaf. And then to create the center stem of the leaf, here I am taking small sap green color strip, folding it from half, secure both the sides together using glue, just curve it little bit, and then on both sides I am adding 2 petals, and in the center adding 1 petal. So the leaf is ready. Similarly, we need total 5 leaves. Now here I am taking this beautiful designer floral paper, which is 9.5 by 13.5 centimeters. And using my scoring board, I am just creating the texture on my pattern paper like this. Similarly completing the remaining side. Then to create card base, here I am taking 21 by 14.5 cm white cardstock, folding it from center. Then on top of this I am adding blue cardstock, which is 10 by 14 centimeters. And then on top I am adding my creased pattern paper. And the card base is ready. Then in one of the corner of the card I am adding this beautiful sentiment just for you. This is the tag die by Dress My Craft. I have added here 4 layers of white cutout, and then on top of this I have added purple cutout to make the thick nice shape of our sentiment. And then I am sticking it in one of the corner. All the supply links are given in description box. If you want to purchase anything, you can check there, and also don't forget to check the coupon code to get some extra discounts. Then I am decorating my card with my handmade flowers, leaves and fillers. Here I have prepared some more light green color teardrop shaped leaves just to fill small gaps. These are made using 1/4 strips. Like this, and then randomly here and there I am adding some half cut pearls, which are 4 mm half cut pearls. Also decorating the top tag using this beautiful organza ribbon bow. So I'm just sticking the bow quickly, and this is done. And our beautiful and gorgeous last minute card is completely ready. This is looking absolutely stunning, and you can write special message to your friend, to your family or to your loved ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.